Hey dear learners, today I would like to share a very interesting magic trick with all of you. So I would try to read your minds right through the screen. So it is a very basic trick, not very complicated, but still quite fun. So what I would like you to do is to select any natural number, absolutely any natural number in your mind. Now multiply that number by 3. Now the number that you have got, add 2 to that number. Once you have added 2, the number that you have got now multiplied by 3. Now you subtract 6. Now the number that you've got, let's say it is for instance 30, let's say 38, let's say, okay. So what you have to do is add the digits of the number. So like 38, if you have got 3 plus 8, you get 11. 11 is again a 2-digit number, so 1 plus 1, 2. So basically you have to keep on adding the digits for as long as you get a single digit number. So for instance, if you get 32, it is very easy, 3 plus 2, 5. But if you get, let's say 48, so 4 plus 8, 12, then 1 plus 2, 3. So you have to arrive at a single digit number, right? Now whatever number you have got, what you have to do is you just have to subtract 4 from it. The single digit number that you have got right now, from that you subtract 4, right? Now the number that you have gotten, see which alphabet falls on that number. For example, if you got 3, then third alphabet is C, right? So whatever single digit number right now you are having, after subtracting 4, the final number that you got, see which alphabet falls on that. And think of an animal starting with the who's starting with the alphabet that you just thought, right? So if it is C, for example, it can be cat, okay, it can be crane, anything. Now I think you are thinking of the animal elephant. So quite an easy trick. I would like you all to figure it out and tell us in the comment section what how exactly this works. Okay, and whoever responds the first correct explanation of the trick, I'll reply to him in the comment section. So thank you all for watching. Take care and enjoy your Diwali. Bye bye.